Good day everyone, this is Christine from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Solen Residences and I'm excited to tour you for this stunning house and lot for sale and let's explore what makes this property truly special. Today, we will feature another ready for occupancy house and lot for sale here in Solen Residences. So this house and lot sitting on the lot area of 150 square meter with a floor area of 300 square meter. So this property has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and meron tayong basement. And of course, at the side of the property, we have a pocket garden landscaping with the access going to your living area. So let's go begin the tour. Welcome to your beautiful home. So as you enter to this property, you will be greeted by a spacious living area. Now let's go to the heart of this home and this will be your kitchen area. Ito yung ating kitchen island. Upon purchasing this property, kasama na siya na pwede kayong maglagay ng mga blender. Meron na rin tayong mga cabinet dito sa baba. So talagang livable na siya once you purchase this property. And on this side, makikita nyo meron na rin tayo ditong refrigerator. And yung countertop natin, meron na rin tayong cabinet. Meron na rin tayo ditong mga saksakan. And from your kitchen area, pupunta naman tayo dito sa ating storage area. Which is kapag galing kayong grocery, eto makikita nyo meron na tayong mga partitions. Ilalagay nyo na lang yung mga pinamili nyo galing sa grocery store. And from the storage area, we will be headed to your another room. This one, if may kasama tayo sa bahay, they can use this room or stock room area. And ang maganda pa dito sa room na to, meron na rin silang kasamang toilet and bath dito sa side na to. So magkakaroon sila ng privacy once na meron kayong kasama dito sa bahay na to. And from the room, eto, makikita nyo meron pa tayong extra space dito na pwede nyong i-convert kung ano gusto nyong gawin. And from here, we have the common toilet and bath naman dito sa side na to. So this property has 4 toilet and bath and 4 bedrooms na rin siya. So ngayon, from dito sa baba, aakyat naman tayo upstairs para makita nyo yung mga bedrooms natin sa taas. Tara! So pag akyat natin dito sa taas, makikita agad natin yung room. So ito, una natin papasukin. This will be your room if may guest kayo or may mga anak kayo. Then meron na rin tayo ditong aircon and meron na siyang cabinets. And ang maganda pa dito, sa room na ito, meron din tayong balcony sa area na to. And from your balcony, ang maganda pa rin dito sa property na to, yung master's bedroom nyo, meron ding access going to the balcony. So ito, sa gilid siya. So, from your balcony, meron tayong access going to your master's bedroom. So this will be your second room to this house. So ito, makikita niyo yung ating spacious master's bedroom. Comes up with the aircon. Ito siya. And meron na rin tayo ditong closet. And yun, as I mentioned, meron na rin siya kasama toilet and bath sa side na to. So this one will be your master's bedroom. And now we will be headed to another room on this side. So from master's bedroom, pupunta naman tayo dito sa ating kabilang room. And bago tayo pumunta dyan sa room na yan, meron din tayong common toilet and bath dito sa side na to. And we have another room. Ito siya. So this is the third room for this property. So makikita nyo ayan, yung mga bintana natin. And meron na rin tayo dito closet. So ayan siya. So from dito sa taas, going to your basement, which is nandun yung ating room na isa pa. And before tayo bumaba, makikita nyo yung ating chandelier. So, napakaganda niya. So, mapapansin nyo agad siya once na paakyat or pababa kayo dito galing sa taas. So, tara, doon tayo sa basement. So, from taas, meron tayo ditong basement. Makikita nyo, napaka-spacious ng ating area. And pwede nyo itong gawing home theater once you purchase this property. Or kung meron kayong mga celebration or parties, pwede itong extension ng inyong celebration sa taas. And ang maganda pa dito, ito makikita nyo, let's see what's inside. Toilet and bath. So, naka-sliding door na rin siya. So, ito yung ating common toilet and bath sa baba. Then, aside from this toilet and bath, you will be headed to your additional room dito sa baba. So, this will be your fourth room. As I mentioned, this property has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and meron din tayong basement. So, ito siya, and we have 2 carports, and this property worth 26 million. From our basement, we will be headed to your lanay na meron tayong sliding door na access dito sa side na to. So, this is sliding door, have access to your lanay. And on this side naman, this will be your laundry area, which is expanded na rin yung ating property. Ito na yung ating sink, and this one naman will be your provision for your laundry. So, may abang na rin siya dito na gripo. Ilalagay na lang natin dito yung ating washing machine. So, makikita nyo, extended na yung property na to. And from dito sa laundry area, this will be your extra space dito na you can use as your lanay. And from this, meron tayong stair naman dito going to your landscape garden. So, from your main entrance, this will be your extra access or pwede kayong dumaan dito going naman to your dining area. So, pag yakit nyo dito, bubungad agad sa inyo, meron tayo ditong sliding door na kung ayaw nyo gamitin yung ating main entrance, makaka-access kayo dito sa area na to. So, imagine kung na-purchase nyo yung property na to, tas gusto nyo yung peaceful community, tahimik lang, napakaganda nitong ating Solen Residences. So, this property is for sale with a price of 26 million. So, house and lot na siya. Pero, if you're looking for a lot or lote lang, meron tayong ino-offer, which is Solen Residences din, na meron tayong pre-selling lot na located din dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, ito is yung ating Solen Residences Phase 1C Extension. This beautiful home in Solen Residences is waiting for you to make it your own. If you're interested and you want to schedule private tour for this property, please don't hesitate to message me directly at 63917-513-2484. That's my Viber, WhatsApp, and my iMessage. Thank you for joining me and see you on my next one. See you!